Hershey's is evolving its product lineup to tap into top consumer trends by incorporating more on-trend ingredients such as peanut butter, wafers, and other trendy flavors. While chocolate remains a major part of the company's business, it's adapting to changing consumer preferences by launching new products that reduce its dependence on cocoa. According to Tiffany Menihart, Hershey's chief customer officer, the company is protecting its core chocolate business while also exploring new flavors and ingredients that are in demand. Hershey's has been launching limited-time flavors for its Kit Kat brand, replacing the chocolate coating with flavors like vanilla and pink lemonade. The company has also introduced new texture options, such as a Hershey's milk chocolate bar with crunchy waffle cone bits and a milk chocolate bar loaded with caramel for s'mores enthusiasts. Additionally, Hershey's is leveraging its association with peanut butter through its Reese's franchise, extending the brand into other snacking categories like peanut butter-filled pretzels, animal crackers coated in peanut butter and chocolate, and popcorn drizzled with peanut butter and milk chocolate. Menihart emphasizes that Hershey's is working closely with its consumer insights and R&D teams to understand key consumer needs and develop products that meet those demands. The company is looking to create new and innovative products using its iconic brands while still incorporating chocolate. This approach allows Hershey's to stay relevant in the market while navigating the challenges of high cocoa costs, which have prompted companies to increase prices and explore alternative ingredients. Other companies, like Ferrero, are also incorporating popular ingredients like peanut butter and wafers into their portfolios, highlighting the industry's shift towards meeting evolving consumer preferences. Hershey's is taking a proactive and consumer-centric approach to tackle the challenges posed by soaring cocoa prices and tariff-related impacts. With potential unmitigated costs of up to a significant amount in the second half of the year, the company is focusing on demand shaping as a key strategy to offset these costs. By shifting its attention towards lower cocoa segments such as sweets and salty snacks, Hershey's is capitalizing on areas where it has already seen strong growth. The company's approach includes clever pricing strategies, such as price pack architecture and resizing products to improve value perception without overt price increases. This tactic is particularly effective in value-conscious channels like convenience stores, where demand is recovering alongside increased car travel. Additionally, Hershey's is innovating and rolling out new products that reduce reliance on cocoa-heavy inputs, which will help mitigate the impact of rising cocoa costs. While the effectiveness of demand shaping will depend on consistent execution and consumer response, Hershey's is also exploring other mitigation strategies through sourcing efforts and tariff engagement. Despite the uncertainty surrounding cocoa costs and external conditions, the company's measured response to ongoing pressures is a positive step. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.